Welcome to this video, guys. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up pip with Visual Studio Code and how you can install dependencies with pip. So first of all, I have this error here that says Flask SQL alchemy could not be resolved. This is because we don't have this installed here. So if I try to install it using pip, that says pip install SQL alchemy and hit enter, as you can see, I get this error that says pip is not recognized. So how can we fix this? Now, this can be because of two reasons. The first one is you don't have pip installed, and the second one is pip is not added to path. I'll show you fixes for both. But first, let's see how you can install pip. First, go to this URL here. I'll have this in the description below. You can just click on it and scroll down. Right click on this and click on save link as. Now you can save this to any directory, but you will have to open command prompt later in this directory. So I'll just save this in downloads. And now once this is downloaded, click on this folder icon to open the folder where it has downloaded and open command prompt or terminal in this directory. So to do that, the shortcut is just pressing here on this address bar and typing cmd, hit enter. And now just type python get, then hit tab, and it will autocomplete if you are inside the directory where you have downloaded your getpip.py. Now hit enter. Now if this Python does not work, just type py instead of typing the whole Python in Windows. Now it is installing pip. After a while, it will be successfully installed, and you'll get this message that says that pip is installed in this directory, which is not on path. It means that it's not added to path. So let's go pip to path so that we can use it from command prompt. Now, actually, this is the fix for the second problem that I mentioned earlier that says your pip is installed, but it is not added to path. So what to do is just copy this. Okay. Now, in your case, if you're not getting this warning, just try entering pip command and it should already work if you're not seeing this warning. Okay. If you're not seeing this warning and typing pip is also not helping you to run pip command, what you can do is just go to this directory here, C users, and then your username instead of my username inside app data, local programs, Python, and scripts. This is where your pip should be installed in any case. Okay. So now press Windows key and type environment variables. Click on environment variables here. Double click on this path here and it will give you a list of paths. In the bottom, double click again and paste the path that we have just copied. Click OK. Click OK again. Now let's close this and open it again. And now if you type pip, as you can see, it is not showing not found. It is showing a bunch of options that you can use with pip. Now we can go back to Visual Studio Code, open the terminal again, and let's run this again. Pip install SQL alchemy. And this time, okay, it's not working. So I'll close my Visual Studio Code and open it again. Let's try to run the command again now. Pip install SQL alchemy, and this time, as you can see, it has worked. So this is how you can install pip in your machine and how you can use pip in Visual Studio Code. If you have any problems, let me know in the comments below.